Welcome to Photo Resizer Pro collage feature. What you see here is a collage I made just quickly to show the feature, and I will now show you how that was done. In your Windows Explorer, select the photo and right click on it, then select Photo Resizer Pro from the menu. Once the software is open, you must select the clone feature on top. It's near the middle. You can use a photo to clone, and we will start by doing that. This floating control will stay on top because you need the zoom feature of it, and you use it to open and close the second image. So let's select open second source image and select this motorbike. Now the motorbike is bigger than the photo, and we can use this zoom on the sliding control to zoom it smaller. You can also use the overall zoom here to then make everything bigger. Okay, the motorbike is still too big. Let's make it smaller. About there. Now, like any cloning, you hold down the Alt key, left click on the source, then release the Alt key, then move your mouse to where you want it, the target to be. Press down the left mouse key and move around until all is cloned. Like that. And you can continue with many objects inside this photo. Once you're done, you say remove the second image. But I also want to show you how to work from a blank page, and at the bottom of this dialog there's a selection start on a blank page. If you click that, you will see that the page is white. It's 2000 by 1400. You can set the size if you want. You can change the background color, which will do. Let's make it a bluish, about there, and say okay. Zoom so we see all of it. No, zoom smaller. Okay, then there's an instruction, what I'm telling you now. So once you've done that, you can make it smaller so you have more available space. Right, let's start doing the same thing. Open the second image, select the motorbike, zoom the motorbike till it's the size you want, about there. You can of course zoom the overall. Okay, hold down the Alt key, click on the source, then move your mouse to the target area, hold down the left mouse button and move your mouse around until all of it is cloned. Now I will make a deliberate mistake by going below to get some unwanted cloning. Okay, remove this image and select another. Let's take this one. This guy in the middle, I actually know him. So let's hold down the Alt key, click, release the Alt key, then move your mouse to the target and move it around. Okay, how much of his shirt do we want? About there. Okay, then we say remove the second image, open another, seagull, zoom it smaller, Hold down the Alt key, click on the source, move your mouse, hold down the left key and move it. And once again, I'm copying things below. When you're done, remove the second image and close this. You can of course put a lot of items on your collage background. Okay, let's fix this problems at the bottom. Here is a option, paint with color. If you click that, you can paint with a color. So let's pick a color from here. You can see this is our collage, and I'm going to pick the background color. Then I'll put fading to about there, and if I move this around, oh, this is way too big. If I move this around, let's make the fading smaller. You'll see two circles. The one is a solid color, and the end of the second circle is where the fading stops. And I'm moving the mouse at the bottom there to fade in this color. This is a handy feature when you do collages, because afterwards you want to clean up everything to have it presentable, and you don't want any sharp lines, or maybe you do. I don't. And here, let's take that hand away by selecting another color there, the white background. Then I want to make the circle really small, and I will now remove that guy's head. And we're done. Like that. That's how you do a collage. Once you're done, you can save it by selecting this button, and you'll be presented with the Save As dialog. Okay, have fun with collages. Bye.